Today is painting day. I cleaned the buffet, scuff sanded it, primed it, and now it's time for some paint. The top, I did stain the top. I have this all in my previous videos if you want to go back into my channel and look at all the different parts, because I did break them down into parts. So today I'm going to go over to my painting station right over there, and I'm going to start getting my paint ready. I'm here at my painting station, and today's paint that I'm going to be using is by the Farmhouse Paint Company in their Evolution line. This paint color is going to be such a beautiful color. It's called Hybrid Beige, and it's such a pretty muted neutral cream color. It's going to look stunning against the brown stain that I did. Their paint has superior durability. The self-leveling in this is fantastic. If you use a brush or a roller, you will not see any brush strokes or anything. It is so self-leveling. The consistency is very silky. I just really enjoy this product. I also have a promo code, Tina10, and you will get 10% off of your order if you go check out their website. They have so many things on their website, from paints to tools to metallics to glazes. There's so many things on their website, so go check it out. It's Farmhouse Paint Company. But I'm going to start getting going on this. I'm going to open it up, start stirring it, and then pour it into my painting tray. Look at how beautiful. Such a creamy muted color. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, I did shake this up yesterday and earlier this morning. So now I let all the air bubbles come out, let it sit for a while. Now I'm just gonna stir. But look at how smooth that is. I mean, when it falls in here, it just levels out. You don't even see it build up a little bit. It's such a great product. I've been using the Farmhouse products for almost a year now, and I'm really, really liking it. Their colors are very pretty. They have two lines. One's called the Evolution. The other one is just called Farmhouse. Again, Farmhouse is more of a matte finish. The Evolution is more of a satin finish. No top coat needed. No top coat needed on both lines. So with this piece, I wanted to look a little more grand, so that's why I chose to do the Evolution line, which has more of a satin finish. So it's gonna look very, very grand, stunning. I'm excited to put this paint on. So it is, yep, it's mixed enough. They also sell their own their paint lids that go on their can size. I did buy different size can lids. I thought at Lowe's it would fit, but these are just a little bit smaller than what their can is, but they do sell these paint pourers on their website. Okay, so I don't want to waste any paint at all, so I want to make sure I get all my paint off. Okay. Gonna push this on. I love my cans nice and clean, organized. I don't really like drips happening so much. I mean, it does happen, but once I found out about these paint lids, and I just love the fact that all my cans now are very, very clean. So get you over to my painting tray here, my cart. I always have cardboard down. I have my roller here along with a brush. I'm going to use my brush to cut into the parts that the roller is hard to get. And then I have a detail brush. This is a fantastic brush to use because there is some details on this that I want to make sure I'm able to get the paint in. So I'm just going to pour this in. It goes a long way. The coverage is very good, so it does go pretty far. No need to wet your roller at all. Okay, I'm going to close that up. Let's bring you over to the buffet now.